Good morning, it's Dave at All Things Important Reviews. Please smash that like button, please smash that subscribe button for more awesome watch content. I have got another unboxing and it's a brand that's not been on my channel yet, but I have been meaning to pick it up for quite a while, and I decided to take the plunge in an absolutely fantastic deal. Now this is actually second hand, but it's hardly been used. I got it in a fantastic deal, and this is actually a Bulova Marine Star. It is the two-tone. Now, Bulova are a watch brand with real heritage. Wow. I just love two-tones, I really do, and I love the blue and gold and silver. I think it's absolutely stunning. I just had to pick it up. Now, it is a quartz, and it is only 100 metre water resist, but nice clasp. Oh, it's only pressed, but still, I like the push buttons and the fact it's signed. Doesn't feel too heavy. Let me just wash it up a bit. Because this has been imported. I think that looks pretty beautiful. And it does seem to be true, as the seller said, it's hardly been used. I think it was too big for him. But because I've got big wrists, now this is a 43-inch model. The actual model number is 98B334. I don't think this is gonna. No, it's not gonna fit on my wrist. I'll have to put the links in. That's way too small for me. Yeah, it's way too small for me. I need to. He has given me all the links. So look, he's took 6 links out. Now they have a H-link bracelet. And anyone who's seen my Victorinox videos, they also use H-link on some of their models, like the Inox. I do like H-link. In truth, they do fit like an oyster, or oyster style. I mean, it feels moderately heavy, not too heavy. I think this is going to be an absolute pearler. It's going to be perfect for my needs as just an all-round daily watch, alternative to the G-Shocks that I wear. It's 100, let me just show you that dial. It's 100 metre water resist. There's a bit of controversy about whether you can go diving with a 100 metre water resist. I don't think the manufacturers technically approve of it, but for all intents and purposes, I think you can, because there's overwhelming evidence on the internet of people going diving with watches, you know, to depths of 30 metres for, 20 minutes at a time, longer, with 100 metre watches, and no water ingress occurring and the watch being perfectly fine. So I don't think you need 200 metre to go diving. I think you can get away with it, but don't quote me on that. It would be nice to have it 200 metre. They do some other Marine Stars that look slightly different, that are a bit bigger. They do a really nice one, but it's 225 grams. This is only about 180 grams, I believe, 185, something like that, which I can tolerate. Above 200 as an all-day wear is too much, in my opinion. Even on my big 7.5-inch wrist, it is too much. It becomes like a dull ache on the wrist after, say, about four hours when it's really heavy. Now, the Inox for me was too heavy, the Victorinox Inox. On a bracelet, sorry, on a bracelet. On a rubber band, yes, I could wear it on a rubber band, no problem. Now, this is only around, I think, 11.5 to 12 mil thick. Now, it's not a ceramic bezel. It is only an aluminium one, which is a shame. But I think on the higher ones, they put some type of sapphire. Bulova's higher priced Marine Stars, I think they have either a ceramic or some type of lacquered bezel. because it doesn't look to me to be completely aluminium. This one is though. I love the simplicity of it. I love the 3 colours. I like the hands. The branding is good. The crown is signed. It is slim. It does look slim. I'll measure it shortly and get a full review up. The bracelet H links look nice. Is it solid end links? Yes, solid end links. The clasp is obviously quite tinny, but ultimately I've used many of these clasps. Now that's a shame how you only get 2 micro adjust slots. Now I've seen this watch online with 3, so I think they do a clasp on some of the older versions of this watch, or possibly just different factory variety that have higher micro adjust settings. So I will actually ask Bulova or some kind of reseller. I will ask, can I swap the clasp, because that's not going to be enough for me. It's going to be unlikely I'll get the perfect fit with just 2. I really need 4 minimum, or 3 minimum really. But yeah, but it looks the bomb. Blue, gold, and and it's a matte dial as well. That's another thing. I'm not the biggest fan of sunburst. I mean, yeah, on some watches it looks great, but on this, because it had a matte blue dial and a matte blue bezel, I just thought, you know what, I need to get it. And I got it in a fantastic deal. Now this watch, I believe, retail is about 300 quid. I actually got this in a deal, like practically new, but second hand. It must have been an unwanted Christmas present, something like that. I got it for closer to 100 quid, 100 GBP, which is, I believe, fantastic. It is a quartz model, which a lot of people will not like, but I love quartz. I'm not anti-quartz at all. So I can't wait to get this on my wrist. I'll put the links back in. Yeah, I'll whack the links back in. I'm probably actually going to have to put in probably 4 of them due to my wrist size. And I can't wait to get this on my wrist. It does actually feel lighter than some of the G-Shocks that I wear. It doesn't feel that heavy, but he's took out all the links. With the links put back in, it'll obviously be heavier. So yeah, so Bulova, you know, real watch heritage. I'll show you some of the other watches that they do, because I'm going to pick up a few more. I can't wait to get this one reviewed. Thanks for checking my channel out. Please smash that subscribe button and the like button. Have a great day. It's been Dave. Nice one.